Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's video about the hour meters. This is my Komatsu forklifter. Okay, so here you can see this is my dashboard of this Komatsu machine, Komatsu forklifter. So this dashboard is not working. So here is my hour meter. So my hour meter is not working. So urgently we need an hour meter for this machine. So today I'm going to install the hour meter on this machine. So let you know how we can install separate hour meter. This is an hour meters which is I am going to install on this machines, please. This space is a very small. The space is very small. I little will make it big one. After I will fix it. And here you can see its back side. Here are the one is a positive. Let's and this side. This is a positive. I fix the positive wire here and negative wire to this side. By using this knife, I make it little big one. Okay. This you can see I make a mark. I cut up to here. I cut also from here. Okay, so after it will fix here. Okay, so I'm going to cut here. Okay, here I will stop the video, and off camera I will make it bigger one, and after I will show you. So you can see I make this hole bigger. Now I can easily fix it here. You can see. Okay, so here I put the screw here, one here, and now you can see this one wire, red wires coming from the alternator. Okay, and this wire is coming to this wire is coming from the alternator. So I make one wire here, fix one wire here, and I put to the this positive terminal. This wire, when our machine will start, so alternator will start work. So this connection I fix it this positive side. So and negative I put a ground, and after starting my meter will start work. This is my key switch. I just key switch on, but here you can see the voltage not come here. Okay, now I will start the machine. Okay, after power will come here. Mean when a starter is start the giving the voltages, so this light will come here. Let I start the machine. So now my machine is started. So I'm going to check voltages here. So you can see light is coming. Okay, after starting voltage coming, and these voltage will go to the our volt this hours meter. When machine will start, our meter will start working. I am going to off the machine. Now my machine is off, so I make the connection. Then ground here. So this is also I put my ground here. This is a ground to the body, and positive voltages I take from here for this hour meter. Yes, you can. I have made the connections. This is coming from the ground. I fix it, ground it here. You can see I made this one my ground. Okay, so this is a ground wire coming to here. This is a ground wire. This is negative earth, and this one is coming from the alternator. Okay, so I have made the connection. So I fix back here. I am going to fix the and tight the screw. This is the second one. My hours meter is ready for reading. Now I'm going to start the machine. So here you can see is written digit is 5 digits after starting. So I will check. Now I'm going to start the. So now machine is starting. So now you can see We will see after 6 seconds maybe digit change or not. So you can see now this digit is going up. Okay, so here you can see now my digit is coming at 6. Okay, so after 6 minutes this digit changed. Now it comes 6. Okay, after it I will wait and it go to 7. I show you. Okay, so now my meter is working. Now this time is 6. Now is working on. As you can see, after 6 minutes the digit has become 7. Okay, it's in the first digit was 5, then the second digit was 6. Now the last one is a 7th digit. Okay, so it's mean my hour meter is working. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.